Main profits. Meaning and scope of main profits in CPC. According to Section 212 of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908, main profits of a property refer to the profits that the person in wrongful possession of such property actually received or could have received with ordinary diligence, along with interest on such profits. However, it does not include profits due to improvements made by the person in wrongful possession. Main profits in CPC become relevant in cases of unlawful occupation or wrongful possession of property by someone who is not the rightful owner. In such cases, the owner is entitled not only to the restoration of the property through a suit to recover possession but also to damages for wrongful possession. The court may award main profits under CPC to the rightful owner in these circumstances. Main profits can be claimed against a trespasser, a mortgagor, after a decree for foreclosure or redemption has been passed against them, a tenant holding the property even after being served a notice to quit, or a person against whom a decree of possession has been passed. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out. Hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing videos like this one.